It is one of those popular party appetizers that keeps people coming back to the table over and over, and we are talking about Clams Casino.
And we just saw his son perform on the Mid-South Audio stage. Now Dad is in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. This is Ricci Ricci. Welcome to DelmarvaLife.
Glad to be here.
Yeah. We've been wanting to get you in here to show us how you make your Clams Casino.
Yeah, it's been a while. We talked about it before.
Right.
So we're finally here.
Okay, well, let's get to it. What do we need to do?
So the first thing we like to do here is get some olive oil.
And you got that going there?
Some basil.
Basil. Okay. You gonna let me help out?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
You can put the garlic in.
All of this?
All that.
Okay.
We love garlic.
Oh, yes,
Might
we
need
do. Yes, we do.
You gotta have the garlic.
I might need a spoon to get all of the garlic in.
That's good enough. That's good enough.
Is that good enough? Okay.
Yeah.
There's still some left in the thing.
That's not all the garlic.
Okay.
Get all the garlic.
Okay. All right, so we have olive oil, garlic,
Basil.
and basil. Okay, what's next?
After that sautés a little bit, we want to put the onion in.
Onion in, okay. Well, you tell me.
Well, it's got to sizzle just a little
Just
bit.
sizzle a little bit, okay.
So where did this come from? Is this your creation?
It's just mine, my style of Clams Casino, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Did you just, you've eaten them and decided, I can make them
I ate them at
better?
a restaurant in Baltimore, and I thought I could do better, and that's what I did.
Oh,
Have they
okay.
tried to buy the recipe from you yet?
No.
Hey, it's early.
I
It's
was
early.
going to
It'll
be
happen.
famous with it, but I never.
Yeah, it'll happen.
Aw.
You're on DelmarvaLife with
So
it now.
you
Of
can
course
put
you're
the-
famous.
you
Go
can
ahead
put
and
the
put
onion
onion
in.
in, okay. Let that cook up a little bit. And do you use clam? You were telling us before, you can use oysters or?
Yes, I have some oysters and some shrimp also.
Okay, wonderful.
So you can dip your chicken in it, I like to say. It doesn't matter.
All right,
So
that's going
stir
in.
that around a little bit, please.
Okay, all right. Because you don't want the garlic to burn.
Right. Okay.
Am I doing the right thing over here so far?
You're doing great.
Okay, good.
So
You're perfect,
Would
Jimmy.
you like to put the butter in, please?
All of it?
All of it.
Oh,
All
yeah.
of it.
Now we're
Okay.
talking.
Well, I make big pots of it.
Yeah.
This is just small for here.
Right,
you
right,
know,
okay.
So I've
All right.
never.
Let me ask you real quick. What's it like having a son like you have, who is such a masterful artist on the
I
keyboard?
never dreamt. I named him Lennon after John Lennon of the Beatles,
Yeah.
and I asked him when he was 8.5 years old if he wanted to take piano lessons or guitar or something. He said, "What do you think?" I said, "Take piano. If you do that, you'll pretty much can play anything."
Do anything.
And you're a musician as well.
I'm perpetrating a fraud. He's a musician. But he's incredibly talented, but he worked very hard at it.
Right.
We got up at 5 in the morning, he played every day, and he got real good.
And you're not just a little bit proud, are you?
Just a little bit.
Just
a little
okay.
bit.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, it looks like our butter's melting there.
Okay, good. Now you can put in that.
And this is
That is pepper, sweet pepper.
orange pepper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
For a second there, I was thinking it was carrots. I'm like, wait a minute.
Stir that
Okay.
around.
And stirring that around.
This is quick, too, isn't it? You don't have this written down anywhere, do you?
no.
Is it hard to watch somebody else do it?
It's hard to watch other people do a lot of stuff. It cooks in, how fast or slow
Right.
something cooks. So the garlic you want to saute.
Yeah.
Of course, the onions take a little longer, and then the peppers are faster.
Right, okay.
So they'll get done quicker.
Okay, well, that makes sense.
Okay.
So
What do you think?
we'll put that in there.
Has Lisa done it well?
Yep. And then when that comes up, because we're not going to go through the whole process,
Sure.
you want to sprinkle a little, half of that breadcrumbs in there. We don't use a lot of breadcrumbs.
Well,
Half,
boy.
you said?
Because we don't want to get that pasty taste.
Oh,
and then
okay, yeah.
Then you stir it around real good. Stir it around real good.
Okay.
Good.
All right. Oh, that's smelling nice.
It will, yes.
And we
So,
can always turn this down.
turn
a
that
little.
down now, please. To
So do you
low.
do other dishes besides this one? I mean, other than the shrimp and other than the
I
oysters?
cook a lot of pasta sauces,
Do you?
clam sauces,
Well, hold on.
anything.
Lennon is like this. How are you cooking all that? And he's like this.
I had to feed him.
Okay, well,
We'll just pull
All
this
right,
off
so
here
we're
for a
going to
second.
move things along here.
Yeah.
What happens how do we get everything into
This
the
is what we're
shells?
going to do now. Usually I'll open these up and make them as I go, but since we're on the show here, we're just going to
magic of TV time.
take a clam and put it in there.
Yeah.
The main thing you want to do is, when you do this, is drain the juice. Let's see.
Does it just not work out the same texture the way you want?
Right. Yeah, because it kills the flavor of what we're cooking over there.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Okay.
So I drain them.
Yeah.
And I think I got it right in here.
Oh, forgot something in the refrigerator.
Yeah, I got it. This is the shrimp.
Oh, okay.
So let me just use this here. We'll peel this.
and that's
You seem rather experienced at this.
Yeah,
You've done
man,
a
I've
couple?
made so many of these. I used to make them 100 at a time.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm coming over to your house.
I used to cook in a restaurant up in Baltimore. Well, I'm butterflying the shrimp. So every Wednesday I cook pastas and shrimp
right?
casino and things like that.
You know, Lisa
So-
would watch me try to cut something like that. She'd panic.
yeah,
As would,
absolutely.
as would I, for that
I'm
matter.
missing the,
What do you need?
and I guess it's in here.
Looking for the. That wasn't something I was munching on a while ago. Oh no, okay, good. All right. just
We're
making
trying
sure.
to get it right. Anyway,
What's this?
this is the oysters.
Oh, okay.
So, again, we don't want no juice. I'm just
Right.
putting it in there. So I don't have to shuck them now. That's all. I don't feel like shucking them.
Yeah, not today.
No.
I think we're
Oh,
Nope.
just turn the
let me
timer
see.
off.
Let me see that. See if it's good.
yeah.
Oh yeah, give
Yeah.
it another,
Oh, good,
about
okay.
Another minute.
Okay,
So,
and-
now we got that. So then we bring this over, and what we do is take this, put it in there like that. See that, and that's warm, and that's how I do it. That way it soaks into the clam or whatever you're doing.
Okay. Well, we need to take a little break here and then come
Okay.
back and finish up these Clams
That's good.
Casino, oyster casinos too, shrimp casino as well. Stick
All
around,
that.
DelmarvaLife will be right back. We've been hard at work finishing up this spread of delicious seafood, everything casino, and we are back with Ricci LaRicci. Got a lot done during that break.
Really?
Yeah, we did a lot. yeah,
So-
we
So
switched
let's
really
recap
fast.
here.
Yeah, recap real quick what we did with the cheese. Then in the oven. You said 8 minutes in the oven.
8 minutes in the oven, 1 minute for the cheese to melt.
Yep. And then it's time.
Yes.
And now we must eat.
Now you must.
Shall we, Lisa?
Okay.
Let's jump into this.
Okay.
So that's a shrimp.
Yeah.
These two are, I believe, are oysters, and these are clams, and that's oysters.
And the oysters.
Okay.
Which would
so
you like?
I'll go with shrimp. Is that okay?
I'm going to go with you.
Okay, so how do you eat these?
Yeah, is
Ricci?
there a way?
Well, you don't have any napkins here, but
No, I just wipe my hands on Lisa's.
make sure they're not too hot, and you just get it all. And
And, do you eat it like you do oysters, where you just
yeah,
dump it in your mouth?
Make sure.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my!
Now what did you call
See,
what
that's
you,
what you're supposed to do. Just what you're doing.
now what did you call what you put in the pot that you mixed in the pot? What do you call that?
I call it my sauce.
Your
Sauce.
sauce,
Yeah.
Ricci sauce.
Yeah, you
Your
drink
sauce
that
is good.
juice.
That's some good stuff. That is some good stuff right there.
Ricci, oh, are you giving out the recipe, or is this
I
secret?
just did.
Ah, okay.
Good point. Good point.
Well, thank you so much for coming in.
And thank you for bringing Lennon.
Yes.
Wonderful to see that.
And don't forget, if you want to see Lennon, we're down in Fast Eddie's tonight, 7 o'clock, 7 to 10.
You be there. All right.
Enjoy them.